If a drug has a concentration of 60 milligrams per 25 milliliters, how many milliliters are needed to deliver 8 grams of the drug? Express your answer rounded to the nearest milliliter. Now, you can kind of see that we're doing a comparison here, right? We have 60 milligrams per 25 milliliters, and then we've got how many milliliters in 8 grams. So the issue is, right, they both have milliliters. That's great. But when we're thinking about a comparison in proportions, we have to be consistent. So the problem with this problem, for lack of better words there, is that we have milligrams and grams. That's not okay. We have to be consistent. So I either need to change my grams to milligrams or my milligrams to grams. It doesn't matter which way, but one way it's got to go. So, I don't know why, but I'm going to choose, for no particular reason, to take my 60 milligrams and change those to grams. So if you recall, when you look at your sheet, right, in metrics, if I want to go from milligrams to grams, I'm going to go left 3 units. So I take my decimal point, 1, 2, 3, and I add that 0. So I'm going to have 0.06 grams. Now, that allows me to set up my proportion. 0.06 grams over 25 milliliters. So I've got grams on the top, milliliters on the bottom. The other one says I have 8 grams of the drug. How many milliliters? We don't know, so that's where the X is going to be. So to solve my proportion, remember again, I had grams on the top, milliliters on the bottom, and the question was how many milliliters? So this is going to work out perfectly. So I cross multiply. 0.06x equals 200. Divide both sides by the number in front of x, which is 0.06, and I end up with 3,333.3. And the question says round to the nearest milliliter. Well, if I look at this 3 rounds down, so I end up with just 3,333, I'm missing a 3, milliliters, rounded to the nearest milliliter.